इस वीडियो में आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग व डिजिटल बिजनेस के बारे में बताने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं नाइजीरिया से सियून डिजिटल। इस वीडियो में आप इनसे डिजिटल बिजनेस और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बारे में सीखेंगे। हम इनसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और वो इसका आंसर देंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं ये इंटरव्यू सीरीज का पार्ट नंबर 2। सियून अब हमसे लाइव जुड़ चुके हैं और अब हम उनसे जो है यहाँ पे पहला प्रश्न उनसे जो है यहाँ पे पूछते हैं। तो ये हमारा पहला प्रश्न है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ, हु आर यू एंड वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
Thank you so much, Ratna. So sorry about if I don't pronounce your name very well. I'm so sorry about that. So my name is Shio Digital. Website designer and digital marketing expert, and help people to build online business and also content creator. I create content on YouTube channel, and I coach people and train people on digital marketing, on digital products, on how to sell online. So
ओके, थैंक यू। और अब हमारा ये दूसरा प्रश्न आपसे है। तो सबसे पहले आप मुझे दूसरे प्रश्न में बताइए, प्लीज टेल आवर पब्लिक व्हाट इज द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग और डिजिटल बिजनेस एंड हाउ टू अर्न फ्रॉम इट?
what is digital business or digital marketing? Now, digital marketing is ability to market your products or services or brand online. I mean, a lot of people, before now we do market our products either through billboard, either through flyers, either through newspaper, news, TV, on radio. But now you don't need to go all through that route. So digital marketing is marketing your products online. I mean, online advertisement. Online advertisement, that is digital marketing. Online advertisement, that is digital marketing. And then digital business simply means the business you're going to be doing without me. I mean, you've not even without having a physical office, having a physical shop. I mean, the business you can do online, that is a business. That is a digital business. Business you can actually do online.
My third question is, what problem do general people face in starting digital business or digital marketing?
Now, the top question is, what are the problems people face when it comes to digital marketing? Well, digital marketing consists of so many parts. We have Facebook marketing, that is social media. Then we have content marketing. We have SEO. We have email marketing. We have a lot of them like that. So, what are the problems people face? There's no business you're going to be doing that you won't face challenges. You are allowed to. It's part of the game. If you're not facing challenges, then you're not starting. So it's part of the game. Now, one of the problems people face is, I ran an advert, I'm not making sales, nobody's liking my post, I did an advert, nobody's commenting. Those are the problems people face. And how can you overcome those problems? One of the things you need to understand is your audience. I mean, if you get the right audience, you will sell online. If you get the right people to showcase your products, to showcase your services, to showcase your brand to, then they are going to patronize you, they are going to buy from you. But if you don't get the right audience, they are not going to buy anything from you. So you need to understand that one of the major problem people face is targeting the wrong people. If you target the wrong people, you will not sell. So that's the problem people face. They don't know how to target the right people.
Okay, what is an online course and how we can create our self online course?
Then what is online course? Online course is, you go to JVZoo, you buy courses, online courses. You go to teachable.com, you buy online courses. You go to a lot of websites like that to go get online courses. Now, what are those courses? What does that mean? Online courses are courses that you can easily access on your phone, on your laptop. I mean, they are something transferable via email, via Bluetooth, via internet. You know, those are online courses. You can easily access them on phone, on laptops, without having to go to a physical office, to a physical school. So those are these online courses. That's what online course mean. And how can you create your own online course? It's very simple. Once you have your laptop and you have a phone, you have the internet, you're good to go. Now, I do make use of so many applications on my phone to do screen record. I record my screen while I'm just training some people. Maybe let's assume I want to show you something on my phone now and I want to sell it. I'll just record my screen there. So, you go to this place, you go to this place, you go to this place, and I save it as a video and I sell it to people. And the same thing on my phone, on my laptop. If I want to do any course now, I have like two software that I use. I use FreeCam and I use Monosnap. FreeCam is spelled FREECAM. Then Monosnap is spelled MONOSNAP. Monosnap. Then if I just turn it on, if I turn Monosnap on, I'll just start telling people, you go to this place, you go to this place, you go to this place, and that's all. I'll record my screen and I'll save it as MP4, and I'll package it and sell it as a course. That's how you create your courses. I have my courses, so many platforms. I have it on jvmarketplace.net. I have it on my own personal website. I have my course and I have my services on Fiverr. I have my services on Upwork. I have my services on People Per Hour. Now, so those are how you create your own courses. Just make use of the phone, or you make use of your system.
Okay, and my last question is how many type of business do you do, and how much do you earn?
All right. The last question is, how many business do I do? Well, the business, like I mentioned, everything I mentioned earlier, those are the thing I'm doing presently. Now, I help people to build websites. I help people to run marketing. I help people to manage the social media. I create animation for people, and also I teach people how to do that too. And I teach people how to do so many things. I help people to build businesses, online businesses. Now, how much have I earned during maybe, let's say, the interval of this month alone? I've earned over $2,000. Especially during the lockdown, I made a lot of sales because a lot of people want to learn new things. A lot of people want to learn so many things. So I use that opportunity to sell products. As I'm talking to you, I'm running adverts on Facebook. I'm running adverts on Instagram. My advert is going on, selling my digital products. I'm selling my digital products, selling a lot, selling my courses, selling a lot of things. So I made over $2,000 during the lockdown, and presently money is still coming in. So right now, thank you so much for having me, friend, and I'm so glad coming here on your YouTube channel. And now all of these things I've mentioned, I have them on my YouTube channel. You want to check them out. I believe right now we'll drop them in the description section. If you want to come and subscribe, just subscribe, and also watch those videos. They are going to be useful for you. Thanks so much. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, Seun, and you have given a very good information on digital marketing or digital business and online course. तो आपने सीउन के जवाब को सुना। आशा है आपको ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी। हिंदी में सीखना है तो फिर चैनल है, जाइए, वहाँ पे कई सारी वीडियोस हमने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के ऊपर और भी कई सारे बिजनेसेस के ऊपर और भी कई सारे कोर्सेस के ऊपर अपलोड किए। हिंदी में सीखना है, जाइए, वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में स्यून का लिंक भी दिया गया है, इनके यूट्यूब चैनल का लिंक दिया गया है, जाइए उन्हें फॉलो करिए। आपने जाना स्यून कौन है, ये कौन सा बिजनेस करते हैं और इनके कौन कौन से बिजनेसेस हैं और ये महीने के कितनी अर्निंग करते हैं। 5वें क्वेश्चन से आपने ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी आपको। और फिर यदि आपको ऐसे ही इंटरव्यूज़ देखने हैं तो फिर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। मैं 1-2 महीने में या 3 महीने में या फिर 1 हफ्ते में ऐसा ही इंटरव्यू लाता रहूँगा ताकि आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिले। हाँ, ये बात है कि इस चैनल पे डेली कंटेंट आपको नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन जो भी कंटेंट मिलता है वो काफ़ी नॉलेजफुल होता है, काफ़ी ज्ञानवर्धक होता है, जिसमें आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हैं तो कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दीजिए और फिर नई वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे साथ